This is the solution to problem 7.59. With each of these, you should try to do them on your own before watching my video. But in any case, this says in 2014 there was a survey, and they found that 68% of Americans said that owning a home is the most important thing or a very important thing, but not the most important thing. And it says, assume that this is the true percentage in the current population of Americans. That means that the true P is 0.68 for population. Then P hat is the sample proportion out of 1,000 Americans. If the random sample is 1,000 Americans, then that is N. And then it says find the mean and the standard deviation for the sampling distribution of P hat and describe its shape. Well, if N times P is bigger than 5, so N times P is 0.68 times 1,000, which is far bigger than 5. So also N times Q bigger than 5. So N times Q is 0.32 times 1,000. As long as those are bigger than 5, if both N times P and N times Q are bigger than 5, then P hat follows a normal. Follows normal distribution. It asks us what is the mean and the standard deviation for the sampling distribution of P hat. So this is the sampling distribution of P hat. It says that it's normal. So the mean for the P hat distribution is true P. And since true P is 0.68, that's the mean of that sampling distribution. The standard deviation for the sampling distribution of P hat is P Q times Q over N with square root. So we need the square root of 0.68 times 0.32 all over 1,000. And square root for that, we should get that turns out to be 0.0148. So the standard deviation is 0.0148. It's a normal shape, and the mean is a 0.68.